Anuradha Chatterjee, Dean Academics of Avni Institute of Design, Calicut, to address the gathering.
Welcome everyone to DesignCon 2019, hosted by TiCon Kerala in partnership with Avni Institute of Design. The Design Huddle is going to be a busy 2 days, which will connect people in the creative industries and from different fields. But above all, the theme of the conference is Dreams for Building the Future. The idea of the future is an outcome of cultural modernity, where society starts to be concerned with what the future generations will be inheriting and experiencing. To that end, then, the idea of imagining the future is a selfless act, as it imagines a reality that the person envisioning may possibly not be able to inhabit. Yet, as designers and citizens of civil society, we are entrusted with the desire to leave the world a better place than we found it. The idea of the future captures hope and aspiration. It captures openness and a field that is wide open. But it never is. And the visions of the future are never meek, they're bold and brave. Different periods of history have had different imaginations of the future. For the 19th century, it was a technological future. For the 20th century, it was a return to nature. For the times we live in the imaginations are a lot more complex and often conflicting, where a neat compromise between profit and social good, design ideality and social fit, and commercialization and local production and job creation. The idea of the customer versus a civil society is never easy. The times we live in is witnessing climate change and destruction of habitats that are dear to us. Displacement of people from places they have been born in, refugee crisis, for instance, and greater political instability across the globe, and the emergence of conservative ideologies across the board. In such troubled times, I hope a gathering like this will deliberate on how we define good design. Good design cannot be design perfection alone. A self-absorbed, self-referential discourse, it cannot be that. It has to be outward looking. However, what makes design capable of being a space where imagining the future is possible is because the field of design, even though we're able to discern specializations, is almost always transdisciplinary, which is saying that it is not just a combination of many disciplines, but that design is able to transcend its own disciplinarity. And even though the event is called DesignCon, it's really a celebration of the creative industry. I highlight the word industry because over the past decades, we've seen a slow but steady shift from a society that is interested in production to a society interested in design and creativity. I witnessed this shift in my own lifetime. As a Dean Academics of the Institute of Design, and in my new adopted home of Calicut, I'm extremely proud to have been able to have been part of an event that has been created with such absolute acumen. I wish the delegates a wonderful 2 days and congratulate the conference organizers in advance on their wonderful achievement. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Greetings from TiCon Kerala.